pricing that in, and that is what was leading to the knee-jerk reactions, driving all these indices into negative territory.
Safaricom PLC has maintained a 48.8 billion shilling dividend payout following shareholder approval of a final dividend of 65 cents per share for the financial year that ended 31st March 2025. The total dividend payout for the year comes to 1 shilling and 20 cents per share, following an interim dividend of 55 cents per share that was paid on or at 31st March 2025. Now, the final dividend will be payable by 31st August 2025 to the shareholders on their register of members as at the close of business on 31st July 2025.
Since launching our Vision 2025 strategy 5 years ago, we have attained a remarkable group revenue growth of 48.6%, translating to an 8.2 compounded annual growth rate.
We closed the financial year with our revenue hitting the $3 billion mark. These impressive performances have led to confidence in our stock, with our share price rising by 68% since the last AGM. We are using technology to drive digital inclusion, enabling the public to access essential services such as healthcare, agriculture, and financial inclusion conveniently.
Now, the Intergovernmental Authority on Development, IGAD, member states have been urged to